like a definite war zone. We've got one there, and we've got one here, and it looks like we may be getting a few more. They just might stop this fire today. It's 9 kilometers away now from FAuquier, British Columbia, and we're hoping that we will totally get this under control. And as you see by the highway, we're still letting people through. Surprised that it is not closed yet, but definitely are finally getting some attention on the FAuquier, British Columbia Octopus Creek fire. July 18th, 2021. Thanks for joining in. Keep you guys posted. Peace out.